So y'all see the title of the video. Yeah, idiot Uber driver with a car that didn't even belong to him. We had a four-way stop sign. I'm easing out the stop sign and this guy flies past me and his wheel rips across my front bumper, breaks up my bumper, scratches my headlight. The headlight should buff out. It didn't break, but he destroyed my front bumper. You know, the bumper that I just fixed. Yeah, he pretty much destroyed it. So now I need a new bumper. The one thing working in his favor is that, well, kind of worked in his favor is I was about to switch to an F Sport bumper. So now I guess this just sped up the process of me switching and getting the F Sport bumper, because this bumper now is toast. Look at it. Look, it's all ripped out of place. That ain't gonna be fixed. That can't be fixed. See this? This thing is destroyed. You know, that's pretty much all the damage that the dude caused. But the funny thing is, the guy kept trying to insist that, trying to convince me to pay for his car because his right rear tire, like his suspension, was busted, like his control arm bent, so his wheel was bent in. So this idiot's trying to convince me, hey, why don't you just pay out and fix my car? I said, I'm not fixing nothing. We exchanging insurance information. And so when we went to do the report and the insurance report, then the guy, he changed his mind. He wants to fix his own car. The thing what it is that the car wasn't his. He was driving Uber on somebody else's account, and he know he not supposed to do that. So he couldn't do an accident report. So now, you know, I just got to chalk up the loss and replace my bumper, spend a few $100, get me a new bumper, get it resprayed. You know, fortunately, I didn't get nothing like no suspension damage or anything like that. Just pretty much a bumper. So, yep. So I'm having a real great day. No, I haven't even finished on the Suburban. You know, I got the brakes done on the Suburban, but I haven't done the windows or nothing on the Suburban. So now I got this to do. So, yeah, I'm having a great day. New York's a great city, ain't it, right? This sucks. But stay tuned.